Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, thank you for tuning in, and for my returning subscribers, thank you for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious and tasty, crunchy mushroom stir fry recipe. I'm going to show you step by step how I made this. Now, the first thing you want to do is clean your mushroom and cut into small thin pieces. The reason why you are going to do this is so that it's going to fry well. You can't fry it whole, you have to cut into smaller pieces for this recipe. After you have done this, you set it aside and then cut your onions. Slice your onions as desired. Then you also go ahead and slice your tomatoes. Set this also aside and cut your mini bell peppers. Here I have red bell peppers, yellow and orange bell peppers cut into julienne shape and set aside. Now into a dry pot or pan, add your mushroom and cook on very low heat. This right here is the secret to having a very crunchy and non-soggy mushroom, because mushroom has its own moisture. So if you do not cook it the proper way, it's going to come out soggy and you are not going to enjoy it. So you want to make sure that it is cooked on very low heat. Allow it to cook evenly. Stir while it is cooking. Gradually you are going to see the moisture coming out, and you want to make sure that it cooks in its own moisture, and then allow the moisture to dry up completely. This is very important. Once you are sure that the moisture is completely dried up, now go ahead and add your butter or oil, whichever you prefer. Now you allow it to fry. Stir very well while frying. Remember, this is a stir fry recipe, so you want to make sure that it is well fried. So you need to stir very well to ensure this. Once this is done, you add your onions and also allow to fry. So you stir while frying it. Now you add your seasoning. Here I added salt. I also added some chili peppers. I also added turmeric and some seasoning mix. Just add whatever seasoning of your choice, whatever seasoning you love to add to your sauce. Just go ahead and add. You can see that after adding all my ingredients, I am stirring it. This is very important for your sauce to come out very crunchy and tasty. So you keep stirring as you're frying it. Now you go in with your tomatoes and allow to fry. Lastly, you add your mini bell peppers and also allow to fry. You continue to stir while doing so. And there you have it. Your stir-fry mushroom sauce is completely done, and you can serve this with any dish of your choice, maybe rice, pasta, steak. Here I add mine with some rice. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Kindly subscribe, like, and turn on your notification. Bye.